Complaints about delivery and how to avoid them. Hello everybody, my name is Stefano from Labelado, and today we talk about complaints about delivery from your customers and how you can avoid them. Have you just opened your online store? Have you recently received complaints or orders that had shipping problems? In this video, I will talk about the various reasons why shipping has its complications, which you can decide to resolve starting today. After all, seeing a single angry customer can make us notice what other quieter customers in the process have never pointed out to us. Lack of information, few delivery options, etc. The tools we have available, our website, the various shipping couriers, more durable packaging must help us in the best possible way to communicate and satisfy the customer's shipping and delivery request. Here you can find my 6 tips on how to reduce complaints due to delivery problems from your customers. Number 1. Order confirmations and tracking number. We assume that this operation is feasible whether you have a small e-commerce site, whether you are a veteran entrepreneur with an important turnover company. Sending a confirmation and receipt document will not only allow the customer to be sure of a shipping and confirmation date, but will save you extra costs in phone calls. I highly recommend sending the shipping confirmation via email at a later time with the tracking number of the courier used for delivery attached. Number 2. Increase your delivery options. Customers have become more and more demanding in terms of delivery, and it must be mentioned that each of them has different needs and requests. Those who have time and want to save on delivery, and those who are in a hurry and need express shipping. I recommend having different types of delivery, starting from the collection of items in the store at a collection point. Remember to talk to your shipper for more information. Express shipping 24 hours if applicable, and 3-5 days relaxing shipping with a discount for customers who just want to relax and wait. Number 3. Speed up shipping. Customer needs are always increasing, both in terms of costs and in terms of shipping times for your e-commerce. Being ready to meet their demand depends on the type of product you offer. Ready-to-retail product or a custom product that needs to be produced. As anticipated, there are customers who are also willing to pay extra to have a shipment in the shortest time available, even back in time. Calculate the feasibility of this extra. Its cost if your trusted courier can guarantee deliveries in 24 hours or deliveries with collection within a certain time of the next day. It is also useful to sit down with your web developer to understand how to implement an automatic system that allows customers, once their shipping address has been entered, to have feasible shipping choice for their packaging. Number 4. Offer free shipping. Offering free shipping on your e-commerce site is one of the most effective online visitor conversion methods, confirmed by more than 90% of consumers. There are several ways to take advantage of this. They all depend on how you want to display them. You could offer free shipping on top of a certain amount of items as long as your products are shipped to one place only. You could also always make the delivery of your product free. With this, I am not saying to give away the shipping cost. Some sectors are particularly plagued by heavy products, and shipping in terms of competitiveness greatly affects the cost of the product. What I recommend is to integrate the cost of shipping into the cost of the product, so that you can report on the homepage or in the cart that the product has free shipping, but you will not lose a cent out of its value. At this point, it is essential to try to negotiate with various couriers in order to find the ideal partner based on your delivery style, both in terms of service and prices. Number 5, grant returns or insurance on merchandise. Regardless of the item you sell on your e-commerce site, it's important to consider offering customers and making it clear in your communication that your business offers them returns or insurance in case the merchandise is damaged, delayed, or just not very welcomed. This may seem like a double-edged sword, but the reality is that customers will have a better perception of your business as you create transparency and show confidence in your way of working. It is advisable to be supported by a good lawyer expert in e-commerce and online sales, and to exhaustively fill in a FAQ section to allow the user to independently answer all of his questions regarding the return of goods and disputes. Number 6, keep an eye on the calendar. Check with your web developer that the site offers suitable dates for your calendar. Nothing worse than having the business closed for holidays for a few days and receiving an order with an urgent delivery from a customer on that day. The communication of holiday closures, site maintenance, etc. must be communicated in advance. We recommend that you also put information on the various landing pages and on the homepage. For already subscribed users, a simple newsletter that communicates the days in which the activity will resume may suffice. It could happen that in addition to festive events, there are other types of problems on the part of couriers or your suppliers. Transparency and sometimes a discount voucher with excuses can solve most problems. In conclusion, if you are the owner of an e-commerce, regardless of the type of product you're dealing with, you will receive controversy sooner or later due to shipping costs, etc. I hope that this video was helpful for you. Remember to subscribe to this channel and hit the notification bell so you won't miss any future videos about e-commerce, packaging, and how to design your products. Hit the like button and share these videos with your colleagues and friends. Leave a comment down below if you have more questions about shipping your products from your e-commerce website, and I'll be glad to answer back to each one of them. And as always, love you all. Ciao!